Caring for your garden ornaments, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and practical topic: garden ornament care. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting to decorate your outdoor space, understanding how to properly care for your garden ornaments is essential. These items add beauty and personality to your garden, and with the right care, they can last for years. Let's explore how to keep them looking their best. Garden ornaments are decorative items designed to enhance the aesthetic appeal of outdoor spaces. They can range from statues, bird baths, and water features, to wine chimes, sculptures, and garden gnomes. Made from various materials like stone, metal, ceramic, or resin, each type requires specific care methods to maintain its beauty and integrity. Each material used in garden ornaments has its own care requirements. Stone and concrete, prone to moss and algae growth. Regular cleaning and sometimes sealing are necessary. Metal can rust or tarnish. Protective coatings and rust removal are key. Ceramic and resin may crack in cold weather. Protection from frost and careful handling are important. Wood, susceptible to rot and insect damage. Periodic sealing and pest control treatments are recommended. Understanding the material of your ornament is the first step to providing the right care. Regular cleaning and maintenance not only keep your garden ornaments looking great but also extend their lifespan. Here are some tips. Gentle cleaning. Use a soft brush and mild detergent. Avoid harsh chemicals that can damage the ornament's surface. Weather protection. Cover or move ornaments indoors during extreme weather conditions, especially if they're made of materials sensitive to frost or intense heat. Repair damages promptly. Fix cracks or damages as soon as possible to prevent further deterioration. Regular inspection. Check for signs of wear, rust, or damage regularly, and take corrective actions immediately. The placement of your garden ornaments can affect their longevity. Consider these factors. Sunlight. Too much direct sunlight can fade colors, especially for painted or resin ornaments. Water exposure. Avoid placing metal ornaments in areas prone to standing water to prevent rust. Wind protection. Secure or place delicate ornaments in sheltered areas to prevent damage from strong winds. Thoughtful placement not only showcases your ornaments effectively but also protects them from environmental stressors. Caring for your garden ornaments is a rewarding activity that keeps your garden looking its best. By understanding the specific needs of each material, performing regular maintenance, and considering the best placement, you can enjoy your beautiful garden decorations for many years to come. We hope this guide has been helpful and inspires you to take great care of your garden ornaments. Thank you for watching, and happy gardening!